Tech update. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. The weather is usually cool this time of the year, but the forest is heating up. An active volcano has emerged. We can hardly hear the lava bubbling over the eruptions of laughter. Check out the shop and to grab fun gear to handle the heat and stylish cosmetics that will have you looking hotter than ever. Exclusive hashtag wearevr cosmetics will be in the city store for 24 hours starting on September 23rd at 1 p.m. EDT. Help us make history. Be there or be circled. That's what VNT says. You know? If you want to be in videos like this, join code WTT. Oh, come here. I'm here! Ooh! What the heck? What the heck? Oh, hey, bro. What is this?
Wait, no, come check out the oh my god, I didn't even see that.
There's a little volcano. There's rocks.
What happens here?
Volcano rock. Ew.
Wait, no, come check out the cosmetics.
Alright. We gotta go see this, bro. We gotta see this.
No. I made it. No, this slingshot is so cool.
There's a slingshot?
Look at that.
Holy! Oh, that's actually super sick.
Oh my god, look at that. Oh my.
There's a phoenix? Alright, I'm getting all of this side.
Free badge. Free badge.
Oh, that's actually sick badge. I'm gonna get all of this side first. There's a hammer? Dang it. I think that's... Whoa, that's cool. This is sick. This is actually sick. But a hammer is crazy. Oh! Dude, did you see that? Did you see that? Whoa. Look at that. A lava mug. Oh, it's all animated. Okay, this badge is actually super cool. Dude, watch what happens when you eat it all. Watch what happens. You keep eating. Look at me. Oh, it didn't happen for me. This is sick. The animation is sick. This is cool. Ooh, that's also sick.
I know, it's so sick.
Is that Cheeto?
Wait, don't tell me anything. Don't tell me anything. I'm coming in. That's Dream.
That's a dream? Oh, that's not Cheeto.
Right now, so I can't see.
Bro is not Cheeto.
No. No, look at this combo. I'm taking it. Look at this.
Dude. Whoa. This is drippy, bro.
Oh, look at this hair. Guys, look at this hair.
Dude, like, all of it is animated. It's so sick.
I like the gloves.
Dude, I'm getting Thor's hammer, bro. That
Dude,
looks
Thor's
so
hammer
cool.
is sick.
Alright, I'm going to...
What? How do I saw this on?
I'm going
Bro.
That's pretty cool.
reach to
Now this is crazy.
the volcano.
One of my friends are playing.
Oh, this is
There's a
cool.
parrot.
That's a phoenix. This is a sick outfit.
Yeah.
I actually like this.
Yo, wait. What if I eat the pepper?
Oh, dude, it's crazy when you eat the pepper. Whoa.
Yo.
Dude, check this out. It's all animated.
Guys.
Look at this.
No, guys.
Bro, look at the anime on this. Yo, you can just like...
Wait,
Guys, the
what?
water beach is pink.
it's pink.
Something is happening in beach. Wait, we gotta buy the...
We gotta go. We gotta go. I got the free badge.
I'm waiting here at the...
Wait, dude, how do we get to the volcano? I want. This thing's sick though. This thing's sick though.
I know. There's 4 people in here.
Because there's 4 of us. You goose.
Negative, come look at this. Negative.
Yo, there's a volcano.
Look when you put a rock in the thing.
What? Oh my gosh, Cheeto, I'm not gonna answer your call. It grows! The lava's growing! The lava's growing! Oh, look at everything! It's all lighting up! Oh! The floor's lava! Whoa! What? What? Wait, can you swim in it? Whoa! You can run on the lava! Oh! Oh, this is so cool! Let's go to beach map! Holy crap! That's actually so sick! I'm pink! I'm pink! Why am I pink? Whoa, I'm invisible! Wait, what? What the heck is going on? Wait, the water's like paint, I think. Wait, the water's all blue now. Wait. Oh, nothing was added here, I don't think. I don't think anything was added here. What? You do? What the heck? This is so weird. Alright, let's go back to forest. You can erupt a volcano. That's so crazy. Wait, same with you. Oh, they added shaders. That's what happened. They added shaders. They added shaders. But the shader is messed up in here for sure. The shader's... Oh, I'm pink again. Red. Nah, but it looks super sick in here. This looks actually so sick. You can... Dude, this is actually super sick. I wonder if it was on infection that we would get tagged. Yeah, add a one and switch to infection. Cheeto, add a one, switch to infection. Add a one. Add a one, add a one. Cheeto, come with me. Come with me. Come with me now. Come with me now. Dude, add rocks. Grab rocks and put them in here. Whoa! Oh! Watch out, Cheeto! Whoa! It tags you! It tags you if you go in the lava! That's so sick! That's actually so sick! Oh my gosh. Oh my. Get out of the lava! Wait, if I run on it, will I get tagged? No! I'm actually overpowered in this update, dude. No, I landed in the lava! This is so sick! This is the best Gorilla Tag update. No competition. The only competition was beach map, but it beat it by a landslide. Dude, look at me with shaders on. They definitely upgraded the shaders, dude. Look at this. I look so dapper. Yeah, dude, look into Look into this. Look into this, Cheeto. Look into it. Dude, the floor's lava is so freaking cool, dude. Oh, look at me! They added RTX shaders because of the mod, and they wanted to just like make it a part of the game, I think. I assumed it as well, but barely. I doubted myself. Dude, I gotta get this. Actually, no, I'm getting the hammer. I'm getting the hammer. Dude, we gotta get Mjolnir. We gotta get Mjolnir, bro. No, I don't have enough. Dude, this is so sick. All right, have a good day, bro. Have a good day. We'll see you in a little bit. Yeah. I'll see you in a little bit, bro. Dude, this is so sick. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. Dude, infection lobbies are going to be crazy if base map people join because they can just run on the water. Dude, Cheeto, you can run on the lava without getting tagged. Yeah, let me show you, dude. This is actually sick. Like, normally, here, guys, come here. Everybody, come here. Everybody, come here. Here, wait. Other guy. If you're not tagged, come here. Here, jump in the lava. He got tagged. You saw that, Cheeto? He got tagged when he jumped in the lava. But if you... What the heck? No, I'm just kidding. I go tag the other guy. But if you were to run on it, it wouldn't get you tagged. It wouldn't get you tagged if you were to run on it. Dude, Cheeto, watch. I think I should get tagged. Yeah, now I'm it. Yeah, now you're it. But if you were to just straight up run on it, you wouldn't get tagged. Wait, everybody go check. We gotta check ice map. We gotta go check ice map. They added nothing? Wait, what about clouds, though? I think the lava's going down. The lava's going down. Come on. We gotta do it. No, there's not. I already checked. It's not going up. Ah! Holy crap. Dude, this is actually super sick. No. Alright guys, subscribe. That's the end of the video.